Here's the cold truth. When the next lockdown hits, it won't be the people endlessly scrolling through social media or glued to their screens who make it through with ease. It's the ones who took the time to plan ahead, who quietly prepared while others were distracted by the latest headlines and viral trends. Preparation isn't about panic, it's about peace of mind, and it starts long before the crisis arrives. The people who saw the warning signs, who paid attention to the subtle shifts in the news and the world around them, and who took action to prepare for the worst, those are the ones who weather the storm. They don't just hope for the best, they make sure they're ready for whatever comes next. We're not talking about building underground bunkers or going off the grid. It's about making smart, simple decisions today, like organizing your pantry, making a checklist of essentials, and setting aside a little extra, so that tomorrow you and your loved ones are safe and comfortable no matter what happens. When panic buying sweeps through the stores and supply chains break down, it's not about what you wish you had. It's about what you already have on hand, ready and waiting. The difference between stress and security is what you do right now, before the shelves are empty. That's why today, we're counting down 12 essential things that smart preppers are quietly stocking up on. Items that could make all the difference when times get tough. These aren't just survival tools. They're peace of mind investments for you and your family. And number 5, once word gets out, it'll disappear from every store shelf almost overnight. So let's dive in and make sure you're ready before it's too late. First up, comfort and mental health items. These are the things that help you feel grounded and calm, even when everything outside your window feels uncertain or overwhelming. You can have a pantry full of food, but if you go stir crazy, what's the point? Mental well-being is just as important as physical survival, especially during long stretches at home. When the world outside is chaos, your home needs to be a sanctuary, a place where you can recharge, relax, and find a sense of normalcy. Stock up on books, puzzles, and board games. These simple activities can help pass the time, keep your mind sharp, and bring your family together for some much-needed fun. And don't forget a few morale boosters like chocolate, your favorite snacks, or a special treat you look forward to. These little comforts can lift your mood on tough days. These aren't luxuries. They're essential tools for keeping your mind healthy and your spirits up. Laughter, relaxation, and a sense of connection are vital for resilience. Don't skip the game aisle or snack section when you're stocking up. Think about what brings you joy and helps you unwind. A deck of cards, a favorite board game, or even a bag of chips can make a world of difference when you need a break from the stress. Survival is about more than just not starving. It's about staying sane, nurturing your mental health, and finding moments of happiness even in the toughest times. Number 11, fuel and fire starters. If the power goes out, your electric stove is useless. Stock up on propane, charcoal, or firewood, and make sure you have multiple ways to start a fire. Lighters, waterproof matches, ferro rods. A hot meal and the ability to boil water are game changers in a crisis. Don't rely on a single lighter. Redundancy is key. Spend a little now on fire-starting tools and fuel, and you'll have warmth, safety, and a huge morale boost when you need it most. Fire is self-reliance. Don't underestimate it. Don't. Number 10, cleaning supplies in bulk. Your home becomes your whole world during a lockdown, and a dirty space means stress and sickness. Disinfectant wipes, sprays, hand sanitizer, laundry detergent, dish soap, trash bags. These vanish fast in a crisis. Stock up on the big, economy-sized versions. A clean environment keeps you healthy and sane. Don't forget sponges and all-purpose cleaners. Prevent illness, keep order, and make your home a place you actually want to be. Cleanliness is your shield. Number 9, Shelf-stable food. When lockdowns hit, everyone rushes for canned goods, pasta, and rice. Build a deep pantry with foods your family actually eats. Rice, pasta, canned veggies, meats, soups, peanut butter, oats, and oil. Variety is key to keeping morale up. Freeze-dried meals are the ultimate backup. Lightweight, long shelf life, just add water. Start small. Buy a few extra cans or a bag of rice each trip. Don't wait for empty shelves. Food security is peace of mind. Stock up now. Number 8. Water and water purification. When disaster strikes, water quickly becomes the most precious resource you can have. You can survive for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Dehydration sets in fast, and it can be deadly. During lockdowns or emergencies, utilities can fail without warning, and bottled water is always the first thing to disappear from store shelves. People panic, and supplies vanish almost overnight. That's why you should store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for a minimum of 2 weeks. This covers drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. But no matter how much you store, it won't last forever. That's why it's crucial to have water filters like the Sawyer or Life Straw and purification tablets as a backup. These tools let you make almost any water source safe to drink. With the right gear, you can turn questionable or even dirty water into clean, safe drinking water, whether you're at home or outdoors. Don't assume your tap will always work. Water systems can fail, and contamination is a real risk during crises. Take action now. Fill containers, store water in advance, and make sure your family has enough to get through any emergency. Once panic sets in, water supplies disappear in hours, not days. Don't wait until it's too late. Be ahead of the curve. Secure your water supply before the rush, and you'll have peace of mind when others are scrambling. Number 7. Personal hygiene. Remember the toilet paper panic? Don't get caught short. Stock up on toilet paper, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, deodorant, and feminine hygiene products. These items keep you healthy, comfortable, and human. Poor hygiene leads to health problems you don't want during a crisis. A hot shower and clean teeth can reset your mindset. Make a list of what you use daily and buy extras. Dignity matters. Don't overlook it. Number 6. Medications and first aid supplies. If you rely on prescriptions, get an extra month's supply now. Build a serious first aid kit. Bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, allergy meds, cold and flu medicine. Handle minor issues at home. Don't risk a trip to urgent care. Pharmacies may close or run out. Your health is your responsibility. Be ready for anything. Number 5. Batteries and power banks. A power outage during lockdown means darkness and dead devices. Stock up on quality batteries for flashlights, radios, and smoke detectors. Invest in high-capacity power banks for your phone. Consider a portable power station or solar generator for bigger needs. Electricity is your link to information and comfort. Don't be left in the dark. Power up, stay connected. Number 4. Pet supplies. Don't forget your furry family. Keep at least a month's supply of pet food, litter, and waste bags. If your pet needs special food or meds, get extras now. Stock up on treats and toys to keep them calm. Their stress rises when yours does. Your pets depend on you. Make them part of your plan. Preparedness is for the whole family. Number 3. Communication. If the internet or cell towers go down, you need a backup. Get a hand-crank emergency weather radio for official updates. Two-way radios let you coordinate with family or neighbors. For the advanced, consider ham radio. Don't be left in the dark. Information is survival. Stay connected, no matter what. Number 2. Cash and important documents. If the power's out, Cards are useless. Keep enough cash in small bills to cover essentials for a week or two. Store paper copies of IDs, insurance, and property documents in a waterproof, fireproof bag. Digital copies on a USB drive are smart too. If you need to evacuate or prove who you are, you'll be ready. In a digital world, physical assets are your safety net. Number 1. Basic tools and repair kits. When something breaks, you're the handyman. Every home needs a hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, tape measure, utility knife, duct tape, and a small plumbing kit. Stock up on screws, nails, and fasteners. The ability to fix things yourself is empowering and practical. Don't let small problems become big ones. Build your toolkit now. Self-reliance is the ultimate prep. There you have it. 12 things that make all the difference when the next lockdown hits. It's not about panic, it's about smart, steady action. Start small. Grab an extra case of water, a bag of rice, a board game. Each step builds your security and peace of mind. Don't wait for panic to hit, prepare now. Share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay prepared.